People are hungry and looking for collaboration. They're looking for partners that they can work with. Some of the connections that was made here today and some of the insight really will change the way how we move going forward and how we collaborate together. And I think overall we need to create that platform for us to do that so that we can share information and share the success stories that we have.
Digital transformation and the digital adoption that is required, and help the business understand how critical the digital adoption is, and how do we keep skills in our country, especially related to IT. How do we build it, how do we grow it, and how do we enhance it?
I would learn to be agile, not only in terms of how we deliver on strategic initiatives of the business, but agile in terms of the thinking and how we actually fund our projects.
Collaborative nature and this commonality of the issues that all these CIOs are facing out there in the world.
What I've learned today is really how partnerships, not only with internally but externally, can help you drive that level of value out of technology that you adopt. The only way we can really win is to work together, not only around community and company, but around South Africa as a whole.